What's going on, guys? So just want to do a quick review on this ultrasonic mice repellent that I installed just over a month ago. And as you can see here, it's actually doing a real good job. There's nothing here. All right. Every time I would come here, you would see mouse drop-ins, and now I don't see anything any longer. So I'm going to say it's definitely working, and I'll leave the description below. I actually did a video about a month ago, like I said, on how to install it. I would definitely recommend it. Every time I would come here, every time I would open up the hood, you would see that they were in here. You know, look what they did over here. They actually chewed up my cover here, and they took all the black felt here, and they actually made a nest inside here. And I cleaned it up a couple of times, and then they would, you know, pick up some hay, and you can see it does what it does. It flashes these ultrasonic sounds, and it has that light, and then it has those flashing lights. So there's also some lights at the bottom here that also flash. So I guess the mice don't like that. And as you guys can see, nice and clean, no issues. Definitely recommend it. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Catch you next time.